Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how you can make some clip-in hair extensions look like a bust down sew-in. So I got these clip-ins from Lashey Hair. These are the 22-inch body wave in the thick volume. I made sure to get thick volume to match my natural hair texture because I have some super thick hair. And y'all, the blend of this is amazing. These clip-ins are so thick and full and just soft and just, baby, they look so freaking good. And these are the seamless clip-ins, so you can't even really see like the actual clip-ins from the top. So it makes it look even better and just even more realistic. But yeah, this entire process only took about like 15 to 20 minutes. It's super easy. And then this hair is super heat resistant because it is human hair. So I did use my flat iron to straighten it, but I have been actually wearing these curly. What I've been doing is I've been putting flexi rods in my hair at night and then rocking some really cute heatless curls in the morning, and they look so good. I'm gonna probably flash up a picture just so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. But this is my first time actually wearing the hair straight, and I think it looks so good and just so freaking full. So yeah, definitely make sure to head over to their website and get these clip-ins. I also do have a discount code for you guys. I'm gonna flash that up on the screen. But yeah, let's just get right into this installation because it's super quick and super easy. Okay, so to start off with, I am just going in and straightening the hair because this hair was previously curly from me using the flexi rods on them. So for the sake of this video, just so that you guys could see the length and full density, I just wanted to go in and straighten it real quick. I'm just giving it a couple quick passes, nothing too crazy. Okay, now I am just going in and putting the clip-ins in my hair. So I'm starting off with the biggest ones, which are the ones with 5 clips, and I'm putting those at the very back of my head. So basically the part that's closest to my neck. So it came with 2 of those 5 clippers. So I'm just putting those in. And then I'm going in with the 4s and putting those towards the middle of my head. And once again, it came with 2 of those. Now I'm going in with the 3s. So for the 3s, I basically split them up for the middle of my head. So I put 1 3 on like one half and then the other 3 on the other half so that it can like come together in the middle basically, instead of stacking those on top of one another like I did with the 4s. So that's basically how I just put those in. And then for the 2s, I put the 2s in with my leave out, but I'm going to show y'all what I mean by that in a few minutes. Okay, so to start off with the front, I just like to go ahead and basically separate my hair and get my part straight. And then I like to go in with a serum. It's called like the Frizz Buster serum or something like that. And I just like to go in and apply that all over to my hair just so that I can prevent my hair from getting frizzy and just humidity, all that good stuff. I like to make sure that I just am like brushing it thoroughly through my hair. And then once I do that, I just go in and start straightening my leave out bit by bit. And then basically I do it kind of like a sandwich. So I have my real hair and then I'll put a clip in on top of that. And then I'll have my real hair on top. So basically like a little sandwich with. So yeah, that's basically what I go ahead and do just so that the leave out can be leave outing and looking cute. And yeah, I definitely just like to include the clip-ins with my leave out because my leave out is a little fried, dyed into the side, and it could definitely use a little bit of help. But look at that blend, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this hair blends so perfectly with my real hair, especially since my real hair is so just like thick and stuff. Yeah, these definitely blend perfectly. And don't be like me, y'all. Do not burn yourself. But yeah, this is how the hair turned out. I really like it. I feel like it turned out so cute and just very full and whatnot. I definitely do recommend using some sort of like serum or something for the hair just so that you can protect it from heat. But yeah, it turned out really cute. I love it. Overall, 10 out of 10 quality hair from Lashey. Make sure to head over to their website, guys, and use my discount code MONAY10 so that you can save some money. But bye, y'all. Thank you.